Can Figma AI really design a landing page in 10 minutes? Let's test it. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Figma interface, and then you move to the top here, and then you locate Figma Make. Then you just click on it this way. All right. So you have an interface this way. So what you have here is, what do you want to make? Describe your idea, attach a design to guide the result. So basically this is what we are going to test. All right, so I'm going to write here a modern AI SaaS landing page. Okay, a modern AI SaaS landing page for a productivity tool. All right, then I'm going to click on this here. All right, so we wait for the design to come up. So what is happening right now is that the Figma AI is processing everything together in order to give you a modern designs. So you even start seeing the code being written at this side as everything is being processed. This is where the design is going to be located at. So you can see the code is coming up and it's building everything for you physically here in Figma. So when you are done with this design, you realize that you have some buttons at the top here. Okay, so let's go through this button as we wait for the design to come up beautifully. So you can share your design here. All right, you can publish, and then you can play to see how it is going to appear when you publish it. Then you also have the settings icon here to make some, changes to your design or to set out certain things. Now you also have copy design here, so you can basically copy the design to a different file, and then you can go and edit it manually here. Now with this ask for changes here, you can also make changes to your design over here just by putting in a prompt that will help you to make your design, to make changes to your designs over here. So let's basically wait for it as it is processing everything to bring out that beautiful design that we want. Okay, so everything is being processed. Let's wait for it. So you can see that it's written over here, AI SaaS landing page version 1, and this is where the design is going to appear. So you can see everything here that it has beautifully built for us a modern SaaS landing page here. All right, so you can see everything here. So what you can do is that you can play to see how it's going to be appearing when you publish it. So let me just click on the play here. All right, so let's wait for it to open and let's see how it is going to appear when it has been played. All right, so as you can see here, we have the whole website over here. So basically this is how it is going to appear when you publish it. Okay, so this looks very nice. You see that you have the features, how it works, pricing, testimonials, and you can even see that the sign-in and the get started has been prototyped very beautifully. So now let's go back to here. So basically what you can do here to make changes is this. Okay, so if you want to make manual changes, maybe doing the changes yourself, okay, basically you can go here. All right, then point and edit. So you're going to click on it, then you're going to point at wherever you want to do the editing at. So let me just point here. Okay, so you can see that we have a drop down items over here. So if I click on this, it's going to boot the SAP text. Okay, so you can see that it has bolded south heading over here. I can also increase the font size over here. All right, so let me just send it back. So you can also do change of color. Any edit you want to make, you can basically make it manually over there. All right, so you can do it this way. You just click on this and then you click anywhere you want to make the changes at, and then you just basically do your change. Now if you don't want to manually do this, you can go here and ask for changes. So what I'm going to ask right now is to shorten the headline. So basically I want this headline here to be shortened. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and let's wait for that to happen. Okay, so you can see here that the headline here have been shortened to to 4 words actually. All right, so this is the power of the Figma AI. Okay, so as I said earlier on, you can go here and then you can copy the whole design to a new file and then do your editing manually there instead of doing it in the design that you have done over here. Okay, you can also publish as well, and then you can also share it with your friends and loved ones. Remember, this is just episode 1 of the Figma Mastery 2026 series. In the next video, we will look at advanced Figma prototyping tutorial. See you next time. Bye.